How is everybody doing today? Just gonna go over some of our graphic design services that we offer. And these are pretty standard for any business. So here you can see these are just some of our graphic design services, and some of the software that we use to get them accomplished. The first one is Adobe Photoshop. I'm gonna make a whole set of tutorials, as you've probably seen some of the earlier ones on Adobe Photoshop and some of the features of it. Here you can see that we do have Adobe Photoshop services, so basically anything from photo editing to image changing, repair, restoration, we can do it all. We do it with Adobe Photoshop. And we'll get into some of the actual pieces of a business that people will use Adobe Photoshop for. And then also here we have Adobe Illustrator. So if you're not familiar, Adobe Illustrator is a popular vector software, and it allows us to create things such as logos and other like things that can be expanded. So billboards, photos and things like that that need to be expanded, and that's all going to be done in Adobe Illustrator. And we do have those services, and you can give us a call. We'd love to help you. We also have several tutorials as well, going over some of the Adobe Illustrator services. So now, what are some of the products that we service? And most importantly, we have logo design, which is one of our most popular services. Every business needs a logo. We're actually pretty affordable, and we do a pretty darn unique professional job for you guys. So we've done tons of different logos for different businesses, large and small. Definitely give us a call if you want. And something like a logo is going to be done in something like Adobe Illustrator, so that again you can expand it and contrast it, if you're going to be doing something like a logo professionally. The next thing we also do is business cards, and we do have obviously our own business cards. We make a lot. It's a combination of kind of the different colors of your business, your logo, the different maybe social links and contact information and things that represent your business. We can help you design all those, and even print them as well. So that's one of the graphic design services we also offer is business cards. And then another is brochures. So anything from pamphlets, brochures, really this is all kind of under one umbrella as far as different documents you might create to advertise and market your business. So those are just a few of the graphic design services that we offer. If you guys have any questions or want to reach out, we'd love to help you with any graphic design related things: Photoshop, Illustrator, business cards, brochures, logos, you name it, we're here to help you. So if you guys like this, give a like, give a subscribe. Stay tuned. I'm going to go into each one of those services in a little more detail, and we'll talk soon. Take care, guys.